Finding viral niches for YouTube Shorts can be hard. So in this video, I'm going to be exposing 5 of the most viral YouTube Shorts niches. And to make things more exciting, the potential in each niche will grow as we go through the video. And for each niche, I'm going to be showing you guys a live example of a page within that niche. And some of the pages that I'm going to be exposing in this video are going to be making over $25,000 per month just from AdSense. I'll also be ranking each niche with a skill rating 1 through 5 so you guys know how easy or hard it is to get started in these niches. So with all of that being said, let's get straight into the first niche, which is going to be football tactics. I came across this niche pretty recently and I haven't seen loads of pages in this niche, so I believe it isn't really saturated just yet. And the editing in this niche, while it does need to be good, it is very basic YouTube Shorts editing. Now this is in the football niche, so the RPM probably won't be the highest. However, it does have an English voiceover talking through the tactics in the video, so I also don't think it would be a bad RPM. My guess would be that the RPM would range anywhere from 0.2 to 0.3. Now while I know I did call this the football tactics niche, I haven't actually seen this done in any other sports just yet, so this niche can serve as a good blueprint to take it and go and apply it to other sports such as basketball, MMA, boxing as some good examples. Okay, so if we come over to our laptop, this is the page that I'm using as the example for this niche. As you can see, the views are pretty decent. Now with this niche, much like most sports niches, the virality is also going to be a little bit dependent on like the news. So if there is a lot going on, like there's big games, then you're probably going to have a higher chance to get better views. But I still do think there's good potential here. As you can see, he is getting multi-million viewed videos somewhat consistently. However, I do still think that it is a good niche with a lot of potential because as we can see, he is getting multiple videos with millions of views and he hasn't even been doing this type of editing for too long. And he's already at 70,000 subscribers with just 52 videos. And as we can see, there's obviously a large audience for this from these views that he has been getting. Now, to be totally transparent with you, while I do believe this niche can get you to hitting some 10K months with YouTube Shorts, I do think it'll be pretty hard to scale beyond that. And I also think you're a little bit reliant in what is actually happening in the sports right now. But that is why this niche is just the first niche in this video. Some of the real money making niches are going to be later in the video, where I personally know people making over $25,000 per month profit from these niches. So with that being said, let's get into the second niche, which is going to be the Roblox niche. Now this is a very broad niche and there are a ton of sub niches underneath this niche. But if you are someone that enjoys playing Roblox or you're willing to play Roblox to make videos, and I do think that this is a really good niche because there is tons of views and Roblox is only growing. And there are always new sub niches popping up, which I think is a real gold mine. If you can get to these niches early, or even better, maybe create one of your own sub niches within the Roblox type niche, then I think there is huge potential to make tens or if not hundreds of thousands of dollars. While I have never personally tried this niche because I just don't really want to play Roblox, I do think that it is a really good niche for some of you out there. Now if we come over to my laptop, this is just one page from one sub niche of the Roblox niche, and this is one of the most competitive sub niches in their Roblox niche right now, but I think it just gives you a good idea of how many views you can actually get in the Roblox niche. So this is the Roblox rants niche, where basically you just are doing parkour on Roblox and then you have a high-pitched AI voice ranting about random things. But it does very well, as we can see from the views on this page. Now I'll show you a little bit of one video just to show you the type of brain rot this niche is, but yeah, these are what the videos look like.
It's over, guys. My crush left me. For those who don't know, a few weeks ago I met this girl, Lily. She's honestly the funniest and most beautiful person I've ever met, and a week ago we had our first kiss. We were just really...
Yeah, so pretty brain rot. Now one con I will mention to this niche is that because you're playing Roblox, the majority of your audience will be younger. Now as of right now, it isn't really a problem because most people that are younger watching videos like these might be using their parents' YouTube accounts, so therefore it counts as an older view. But I believe YouTube is trying to put things in place to try and identify whether someone is actually an adult or just a child on an adult's account. So if they do somehow manage to do that, then that could damage the RPM on this niche. But either way, the views in the Roblox niche are crazy, and I haven't really seen any other niche like it for the amount of views you can get. However, in this next niche, the age and RPM is definitely not an issue. And that is because niche number 3 is going to be the podcast/talk show niche. Now I'd give this niche a skill rating of 4, and that is simply because you do need to have quite a high level of editing to be able to do well in this niche. Now I don't really think that's a problem because I think anyone can get to the level of editing needed with literally a few weeks of hard work and practice. But yeah, it is something to mention. Now this niche has been around for ages and it always will be around as it has stood the test of time, and you can take advantage of popular names on these podcasts or talk shows. Now a lot of people think that this niche is not monetizable. Now I can tell you that this niche is 100% monetizable because I literally have a friend in this niche that has made over $100,000 profit in this niche, as well as I have had multiple members in my premium Discord server get monetized in this niche. However, with that being said, to get monetized in this niche, you can't just be clipping up podcasts and posting them. You need to be doing a lot of editing to make it monetizable, and that includes things like transitions, zooms, face tracking, pop-ups on screen with B-roll. All of these things is what is going to make this niche monetizable. Now, if we come and take a look at my laptop, this is the example we're going to be using for this niche. This page is called Hacked World. Found this page recently, and I thought it was pretty interesting because it's kind of a sub-niche in this whole podcast space that I haven't seen yet, and it's basically talking about tech, and they basically take advantage of Marques Brownlee's face to help them get views. And yeah, as we can see, they are getting tons of views in this niche, and I can guarantee you that this niche is going to have one of the highest RPMs because they're talking about tech, which is going to attract mainly an older audience. They're using someone that is pretty famous in America as the main face for this channel, and then obviously their clips are in English. And if YouTube ever do manage to somehow put targeted ads into shorts, then we do know that the tech niche is one of the highest paying niches in terms of the way that long form content is monetized. Now, if we take a quick look at a video, I'll show you guys a quick example of what this niche looks like. So, I mean, this one has 5 million views.
Something I've noticed,
So as you can see, a slow zoom in, lots of B-roll, good auto captions. I'm pretty sure in this niche, most people edit on Premiere Pro, and I do think it gives you a bit of an edge with the captions and stuff. Like when I'm looking at this, it doesn't look like it's made in CapCut. So that's a quick example of what this niche looks like. The editing isn't crazy hard once you have it down. It just might take you, like say, a couple of weeks to learn how to edit on Premiere Pro rather than something like CapCut. Now, one tool that can be really helpful if you are operating in this niche is Opus Clip. Opus Clip is a tool that can help you find viral moments in a podcast without having to sit there and look for it yourself, which is obviously going to be very beneficial in this niche. And if you are a creator yourself and you're wanting to use Opus Clip to clip up your own videos or podcasts, then Opus Clip's new auto input feature is super helpful, as it can automatically clip up and edit your video into short form clips ready to post from your longer YouTube videos. And not only that, they now have an auto scheduler tool that will automatically schedule your post so you can turn your video into posted clips without having to do pretty much anything. As well as this, Opus has tons of other improvements across their whole tool. As you guys know, AI is improving fast, and as AI improves, so does Opus. So if you want to try out Opus Clip, then I'll leave them linked in the description. They're currently running a 7-day free trial, so you can test it out with no strings attached. And thanks to Opus for sponsoring this portion of the video. Niche number 4 is going to be the ranking niche. Now, this niche is pretty controversial because, as I'm sure a lot of you guys know, there can be a lot of monetizing issues in this niche. But with that being said, I personally know people in this niche doing it a certain way, and they are making over $20,000 per month, so I couldn't really leave it out of this video. I also believe that this is one of the easiest niches for beginners to get into, and in the example you guys will get a rough idea of how this niche is monetizable. Now, with that being said, because the barrier to entry is so low in this niche, there is a fair bit of competition. So if I were you and I wanted to start up in this niche, I'll try and start it up in a bit of a sub niche so that I have more of a chance of succeeding with this niche and creating a bit more of a loyal audience. Now, if we come over and take a look at my laptop, this is the page I'm using for the example, and yes, I know this is a very fresh and very new page. It only has 1k subs and 9 videos, but it is a perfect example of a way that we can make this niche monetizable, and it also works well with helping the videos go viral. So like I mentioned, this guy obviously has niche down to a sub niche. So to show you guys how this niche is monetizable, we'll watch one of their videos.
Here we see the GOAT, Harry Maguire, warming up for the match. We see a ball in the box.
I got this.
Oh, that's why he's the GOAT. Bro-vex the fuck out of Mr. Pogbito the Warrior.
So I don't know how many of you guys spotted the difference, but with this ranking page, they're actually using an AI voice that sounds like a football commentator to make this video more entertaining. And also that is the thing that is going to help this video be counted as original content and help this channel get monetized. Now, some other things that you can also do in this niche to once again make it even more monetizable is just doing tons of editing. So like how we had in the podcast niche, you know, you'd have lots of pop-ups and B-roll and edits, stuff like that. If you do that in the ranking niche, it can help you also get monetized. Now, with that being said, this niche is a little bit of a gray area and there is no real guarantee that you will get monetized, but yeah, this is a great way to do it. And maybe this can even give you some ideas of different sub niches where you can use an AI voice to make it original. And not only that, it also helps enhance the videos and make them more entertaining. Now that we are done with the Harry Maguire brain rot, we'll go to niche number 5, which is going to be the movie stories niche. Now, I found this niche a little while ago, and to be honest, I was low-key gonna gatekeep this niche for myself, but I'm not 100% sure if I am going to actually run a page in this niche yet, so I thought I may as well give it away to you guys. Now, with that being said, I did do a tiny bit of testing in this niche to see if it was a niche I was gonna go into, and on my first video, I got 30k views, which is nothing crazy. It got stuck in the 30k view jail, but it does show that there is good potential for this niche. And that was literally my first attempt at making a video in this niche. So to be honest, it wasn't very good quality and I just wanted to get it out. I know I could have done way better, It was just doing a bit of testing. So I do think that this niche has a lot of potential and is probably the best niche in this video, hence why it is last in the list. Now, the hardest thing about this niche is just going to be creating an engaging script and finding a good storyline to make out of a movie. Now, the reason that I rank this niche as the niche with the most potential is because when I was looking, I didn't find tons of competitors in this niche. It has a huge potential target audience as you're basically just telling stories but using movies as B-roll, which is even more engaging. And this niche should get a pretty good RPM because you are using an English voiceover for this niche, unless you take this niche and do it in a different language, of course. So if we take a look at my laptop, I'm going to show you guys the example for this niche, and this is a really good page. They have 1 million subscribers with only 130 videos, which is pretty crazy going, and is partially why I've ranked this niche so highly. So if we go to most popular, we can see that their videos have tons of views because obviously they have a big potential audience, and they only started posting about 6 months ago, and I can imagine that they have made a ton of money with this page. Now if I click on one of their videos, I'll kind of show you roughly what it is and what this niche entails.
The man was standing with his hand resting on an iron railing. Suddenly, the railing broke and he fell straight down. Right below was a furnace used for making bullets. He did not even get time to scream for help before he slowly disappeared into the boiling molten metal after passing through.
But basically what they do is they find a movie, they find a rough plot, they'll then basically try and condense that movie down to make it into a 1 to 2 minute video and give a quick, very brief, shortened down version of the movie. However, when I was taking a look at this niche, I did notice that sometimes they'll literally just take a movie, change the whole plot of the movie and just make it into their own kind of story. So yeah, go ahead and take a look at this page. It's a pretty impressive page, and I do think that this niche has a ton of potential. No matter which niche you go into from this video, there's huge potential to make money, and I've given you the rough roadmap to go out and do this for yourselves. So now it's your guys' turn to go ahead and put in the work. Drop a comment, let me know which niche you are going to start a page in so that I can hold you accountable. Now, if you didn't like any of those niches or you just want some more niches to look at, then in my premium Discord, I post 3 new niches every single week so that you have fresh ideas of pages that you can start. And on top of that, you get tons of extra resources and help in the community, as well as weekly calls with myself, which is why we're consistently getting results like these in the community. So if you're wanting to start YouTube Shorts and you're going to take it seriously, then that is the place to be. If you want to see me start and scale my own YouTube Shorts page from scratch in 150 days, then you can click this video on screen here. Or if you want some more niches, then you can check out this video on screen over here where I give you another 7 niches that you can use for YouTube Shorts. And drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Apart from that, I hope to see you guys in the next one.